Hello everyone, my name is Christiana Santos and I'm a PhD candidate at Fluminense Federal University in Brazil. Today, I'm going to share with you part of my research titled Investigating the Influence of Solar Activity on Marine Heat Waves in the Equatorial Atlantic Ocean. Marine heat waves is prolonged period of unusually high sea surface temperatures that have become more frequent and intense over the past few decades. These events can severely affect marine ecosystems, fisheries, and climate patterns. While internal ocean-atmosphere processes, such as El Niño, are widely studied, the role of external forces, particularly solar activity, remains relatively unexplored. This motivated our central research question. Can solar variability, especially through sunspot cycles, influence the occurrence or intensity of marine heat waves in the tropical Atlantic? To investigate this, we analyzed time series data from 4 Parada mooring stations located at the equator, and specifically at 0 degrees north, along 0 degrees east, 10 degrees west, 23 degrees west, and 35 degrees west. These stations provide high-quality oceanographic data, particularly daily sea surface temperature. We combined this with monthly sunspot number data from NOAA, covering more than 20 years. To identify possible connections between these two variables, we applied wavelet transform analysis, which allow us to detect period patterns and how they tend over time. Then, we used cross-wavelet analysis to examine whether and when both signals, solar activity and SST, share significant coherence, especially at key timescales. Our results show that the sunspot index contains clear interrennial and decadal periodicities as expected. More interestingly, the cross-wavelet spectra reveals regions of statistically significant coherence between solar activity and sea surface temperatures, particularly in the eastern stations. These coherent signals appear especially at decadal timescales, suggesting a possible modulating effect of solar variability on long-term temperature anomalies. The station at 0 degrees north, 0 degrees east showed weaker coherence, possibly due to local dynamics such as coastal upwelling or riveting influence, which may mask broader-scale solar signals. These finds do not indicate a direct causality, but they suggest that solar activity may act as a background modulator, influencing the thermal structure of the ocean over longer timescales, and possibly preconditioning the region for more intense or frequent marine heat waves events. Understanding this connection could improve our knowledge of climate variability in the Equatorial Atlantic and help refine predictions of extreme ocean warming events in the context of changing climate. In future steps, I plan to expand the analysis to include other indicators of solar activity, such as total solar irradiance, and to apply similar methods in other ocean basins. Thank you very much for your attention. If you'd like to get in touch, there is a QR code on the screen that links to my contact information. I'll be happy to answer any questions.